forecast.
Another afternoon of showers and thunderstorms. You can see activity over the last several hours moving from southwest to northeast, and we've got some heavier downpours in progress, especially southeast of Charlottesville. This has shown some lightning strikes here within the last 15 minutes. Overton, and again, that's headed up toward Milton. And again, this will fill in for areas farther south and east where temperatures are still in the 80s, but if you've been rain cooled, you're certainly in the 70s. And then just some steadier rain back toward Lovingston and back toward Amherst through Wintergreen, and then go a little farther north up Route 15 into portions of Orange County and Route 20 there. You can see the rain that continues across the region. Now, again, all this in advance of a slow-moving front and a weak disturbance that's coming through here, acting on that daytime heating to trigger the activity. Because of the recent rain from last night, the rain today, the slow movement of the storms, a flash flood watch is in effect until midnight. This line will progress slowly off to the east, and there's our view right now from the Charlottesville camera. Again, the rain is set in, and right now we have just a quarter of an inch of rainfall. We've been rain cooled to 73 degrees, touched 88 this afternoon. The dew points are quite high. That's a better measure of moisture content in the atmosphere. The higher the number, the more humidity. That number will drop off as we get into tomorrow night and certainly on Sunday. 70, the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Look at the rainfall today with the storms, over 1 inch and 4/10. And you can see areas that haven't been rain cooled, such as Louisa and Palmyra, still in the 80s. Most every other location seen the rain back in the 70s. Tonight then, upper 60s. There'll be some areas of fog. The showers and thunderstorms will fade away. And tomorrow morning, after some morning fog, we're going to heat up pretty quickly. Upper 80s to low 90s. The winds tomorrow will be out of the west, and the westerly winds coming off the mountain helps to compress the air, warm it up even more. It also could cut back on the coverage of storms, which right now that looks to be the case. So even though we have a chance of a shower or thunderstorm tomorrow, and we could have an isolated severe storm that could produce some damaging wind gust and hail, I think the coverage will be a lot less than what we saw yesterday, what we're seeing here this afternoon and now evening. Beautiful day on Sunday. We'll start the morning in the upper 50s and low 60s. Daytime highs in the low 80s with a lot of sunshine. Tropical storm Cristobal is about to emerge back into the Gulf of Mexico, produce some very heavy rain across Mexico, Central America, and by Sunday evening could be making a landfall along the Louisiana coast. There are currently tropical storm warnings up from the panhandle of Florida all the way back into Louisiana. This will certainly be a heavy rainmaker, and looking ahead next week, this could get absorbed in a frontal boundary that'll push off to the east to bring us maybe some rain, the remnants of that moisture, end of next week. In the meantime, showers and thunderstorms here this evening. Those will taper off here tonight. We have a front that's just east of Chicago, and once that clears the region by tomorrow evening, that'll drop the humidity and the temperature. So here we go with showers and thunderstorms tonight. They fade away 10, 11 o'clock. Most of the activity is done. Temperatures in the morning, upper 60s to low 70s, and then during the afternoon tomorrow, we'll heat up, upper 80s, low 90s. There could be a few storms, but not expecting a whole lot of coverage. A comfortable start Sunday and a beautiful afternoon with temperatures in the lower 80s. Tonight then, showers and thunderstorms will fade away, muggy with areas of fog, upper 60s to around 70. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. We've moved through this first weekend of June. More pleasant conditions Sunday and the first part of next week. We'll watch any potential remnant moisture from Cristobal end of next week.